Hello friends, welcome back in one more video, and today we are going to solve reading comprehension passage. Before we proceed, few suggestions for you. Whenever you are tackling in reading comprehension passage, first of all you should improve your reading habit. What is mean of reading habit? It's the way it should be read. Number 2, you should know what to read and how much to read. Number 3, you should know what is the demand of the question. All right, let us begin. I have given the whole passage in description along with the question. Go to description, read whole passage, and now make up your mind, because once I'll read the whole passage it will take much time. So overall elimination I'll tell you to make the video shorter. So let us begin. Look at the first part of the first passage, and after reading the first half you will get to know overall information. It says historians of women labor in the United States at first largely disregarded the story of female service workers, women earning wages in occupations such as sales clerk, domestic servant, and office secretary. After reading this, you must have understood that it is about the women labor. At first it was disregarded, but later it was regarded, and that will be the overall information of the passage. So let me catch you toward the question directly. It says, according to the passage, historians of women labor focused on factory work as more promising area of research than service sector work because factory work. Alright, let us go to first para. These historians focus instead of factory work primarily because it seemed so different from traditional unpaid women work in the home, and because the underlying economic forces of the industrialism were presumed to be gender blind and hence emancipator in effect. What does it mean? That it was different from day-to-day life. Look at options. A says involved in the payment of higher wages. The passage is not about high and low wage, so it is incorrect information. Required skill in detailed task. Again, there is no explanation about the types of task. So required skill in detailed task. Now the word detailed task is out. So it is incorrect. C says was assumed to be less characterized by sex segregation. Right? And this is the correct option. Why? Because in that part there was no segregation, and it was different from the house. That's why C is okay. D says was more readily accepted by women than men. C, more readily accepted by women than men. So it is not the acceptance of men and women. It was invitation. It was offer for men and women, and it's been what that job offer. So D has been looked from women and men point of view, but the passage is not about women likes, women does not like, man likes, and man does not like. So D out. E says fitted the economic dynamic of industrialism better. Passage is not about what suits and what does not suit to the industrialism. It is about that what was the difference in study, why author has focused toward factory work. The reason was factory work was different from the traditional work, traditional thought, and women work that they used to do at home, and that is in C.